In the thriving era of circular economy, the Charcoal-Energy-Fertilizer multi-product system for apricot shell carbonization has emerged as a breakthrough solution, opening new avenues for efficient resource utilization. Traditionally underutilized as agricultural waste, apricot shells now undergo advanced processing to become charcoal, initiating a transformative journey toward multi-product integration. 1. Charcoal resource upcycling. Apricot shells, after pyrolysis, produce biochar that directly aids soil remediation by adsorbing heavy metals, or is further processed into industrial-grade activated carbon, doubling its value. 2. Energy self-sufficiency. Combustible gases coal, H, etc., generated during pyrolysis meet partial energy demands of the equipment, while residual heat is reused for raw material drying and greenhouse heating. This reduces overall energy consumption, yielding annual savings of millions in operational costs. 3. Fertilizers, grain agriculture. Charcoal-based fertilizers loaded with nutrients reduce chemical fertilizer usage and boost crop yields. Co-reduced liquid fertilizers from pyrolysis oil extraction further lower product costs, supporting sustainable farming practices. From field waste to a charcoal-energy-fertilizer integrated system, apricot shells drive agricultural and energy green transitions through technological innovation, offering a replicable Chinese blueprint for global circular economy practices.